naught comma y naught f of x comma y, which is nothing but limit x tends to x naught, y tends to y naught, f of x comma y, and which is same as y tends to y naught, then go for x tends to x naught, f of x comma y, then both will be equal to L, then that limit is called as L is called limit of the function f of x comma y. L is called limit of the function of f of x comma y. We have verified yesterday some of the problems. Okay. So that is two-part method to find the limit of a given function, and we did a problem in definition method also. Okay. So let us extend that. Okay. Let us extend that. Okay. So actually, what I told you that in case of yesterday's class, suppose x is approaching to x naught, y is approaching to y naught. Okay. So x comma y approaching to x naught comma y naught. Assuming this is x naught comma y naught. Some point on some point on x comma y. Okay. So this will be approaching not only in left side, not only in right side. Maybe like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Many ways. Okay. So like this, many ways. So that's why we are approaching, suppose we are approaching in this method, okay, in this way. So that is called y equal to mx, or this method, okay, in a straight line way, which is called y equal to mx, okay, y equal to mx, okay. So in approaching of with approaching of another method means like curve way, that is called we taken by y equal to x square or y equal to mx square or x equal to my square. In parabolic method, okay, it's like ila, okay, ila approach like this, okay, like this. So like ఒక కర్వ్ ఫామ్ లో అప్రోచ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం y ఈక్వల్ టు mx స్క్వేర్, ఓకేనా. సో అలాగే నెగిటివ్ టు పాజిటివ్ అప్రోచ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ y ఈక్వల్ టు mx క్యూబ్, y ఈక్వల్ టు mx క్యూబ్. ఓకే. సో లైక్ వైజ్ వీఆర్ అప్రోచింగ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ so likewise we can verify all these cases. If all these cases also the limit is same as our two-path method, that limit L is called limit of the function. If one of these is not equal to our L, one of these are not equal to other, then we call it as limit does not exist. One of these also not equal, then we call it as limit. A limit does not exist. Okay. So likewise we have to find the limit of the function. Are you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Previously
No, sir.
మరి చెప్పాలి కదమ్మా, ఒకరు కూడా చెప్పలేదు.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తుంటే మళ్ళీ మ్యూట్ అయిపోతుంది సార్, అందుకని చెప్పలేదు.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తుంటే మ్యూట్ అయిపోతుందా? Okay, fine. So మనకు లిమిట్ కనుక్కోవడం వల్ల yesterday's class we have done, right? So we have done in two-path method, like x is approaching to x naught, y is approaching to y naught. Okay, after x then y, and similarly y then x. Okay, so that is called two-path method. Okay, if two-path method both values will be same, that we call it as limit of the function. Okay. That's what simply we can done. But in case of two-dimensional, as I told you that the neighborhood of any point is like okay, it's a circle of radius delta. So like a circle of radius delta. Okay. In case of a circle, okay, of radius delta, okay. So when x is approaching to x naught, this is called x naught comma y naught. Okay. So when x is approaching to x naught, not only from left side, not only from right side, either this side, either this side, either this side, either this side, either like this, either like this, okay, either like this, either like this, okay. So either like this, okay, many ways you can approach, okay. So that's why, okay. So when we go by this method, means approaching in a straight line manner, that will taken by y equal to mx. That will taken by y equal to mx, okay. And we approaching in a curve method like this, okay, like this. That is we taken by y equal to mx square or x equal to my square, x equal to my square, okay. Parabolic curve, nothing but we taken by parabolic, okay. So another linear curve that is like this, okay, like this. That is called y equal to mx cube, okay, or x equal to my cube. Majorly these curves we verify, okay. If all these are same, then we go for limit is exists. Okay, if it is not one of the same, at least one of this is not same or does not exist, then limit we cannot exist. Limit cannot exist. Okay, now. So that's what we have done. Okay, that's what we have. Okay, so 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 go for example. Evaluate limit x comma y approaching to x naught comma y naught, y square minus x square, okay, by y square plus x. So if I here going by two-path method, x tends to 0, then y tends to 0, y square minus x square by y square plus x square. So what it will be? Y square minus 0 by y square plus 0. Okay, na? So this is nothing but what? Y square by y square, nothing but 1. Okay, na? So if I go by approaching y, then x, okay, y square plus x square, and that will be nothing but y0. So this is limit x tends to 0 minus x square by x square. What it will be? Minus 1. Both are not same. Therefore, limit does not exist. A limit does not exist. Okay, na? Limit does not exist. Is it fine? Okay. Is it fine? Okay. Adamutna. Or if you take y equal to mx, okay. So x comma y approaching to 0 comma 0, x comma y approaching to 0 comma 0, okay. So when we replace y equal to mx, the total function will be converting into in terms of x. So then no need to take y here. So this will be m square x square minus x square by m square x square plus x square. This plus, right? Plus x square. This will be nothing but what? If I take common x square, so this will be what? M square minus 1 by m square. So what it will be nothing but for different values of m, it will give different values. For different values of m, okay, it will give different values. Okay, means that the limit is not unique, so therefore limit does not exist. So ala kuda cheppochu. So whatever you like, you can say that limit does not exist. Okay. Okay. Any doubts, please? Raskunara. For different values of m, it will give different L values, different. If I take m equal to 1, that will be 1. That will be m equal to 1 means it will be 0. It will be 0. Okay. If I take m equal to 2, then it will be 3 by 5, right? 3 by 5. Okay. Now, so that's what for the different values of m, it will give different values. That's why the limit does not exist. Okay, now fine. It's okay. Askunara. So write down evaluate limit x comma y approaching to 0 comma 0 x square y by x power 4 plus y square x square y by x power 4 y square. Okay na? First two path method lo cheddam. X approaching to 0, y approaching to 0, x square y by x power 4 plus y. So this is nothing but limit y tends to 0, 0 into y by 0 plus y square. Nothing but 0. Now first y approaching, then go for x approaching. Y approaching, then go for x approaching. This is also 0 by anything. 0 by anything. It's also 0. So both are okay. Okay means that limit may be 0, but we did not confirm that yet. Okay. So now I go for y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. Okay. If I take y equal to mx along the path of straight line. Okay. So if I take y equal to mx, then it is x tends to 0, x square y mx by x power 4 plus m square x square. M square x square. So what it is, limit x tends to 0, x square mx by x square taken common, x square plus m square. If I take x tends to 0, means 0 replacing here, 0 plus m square. This is also 0. Okay na? So ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే నమ్మ limit I go for mx square, y equal to mx square. All the paths you have to verify, all the paths. Okay. Limit exist avutaaniki all paths. ఇందా చెప్పాను కదా, you have to verify all the paths. Y equal to mx square, y equal to mx, y equal to mx cube. Okay. If all are same, then fine. If at least one is not same, if at least one not same, then no limit exists. So this is x square mx square by x power 4 mx square whole square. So limit x tends to 0, x power 4 m by x power 4 LCM common 1 plus m square. So this is nothing but again limit x tends to 0, m by 1 plus m square. So which is independent of x, So means that for different values of m, we'll get different limits. For different values of m, we get different limits. Means limit is not unique. That is, limit is not unique. Limit is not unique. Therefore, limit does not exist. Okay na? మనకి ఇవి చేస్తే ఏమో 0 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడేమో సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ వచ్చింది. సో లిమిట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో likewise you can go by okay. So all the paths, suppose ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 వస్తే you have to verify mx cube. ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు 0 వస్తే అమ్మ you have to verify mx cube. ఓకేనా? సో అక్కడ కూడా 0 వస్తే almost maybe 0, almost the limit may be 0. Maybe some of the times you have to go by mx power 4 also. అంత దూరం అవసరం లేదు, maximum దూరం ఎవరు But you should verify all the ways. Just a moment, Amma. So, likewise, you have to verify all the paths, all the paths. That is very important. So, mainly, ikkada a path lo exist kado miru does not exist means that you can say directly this. You can say that directly this path. So, along the path of y equal to mx square, the limit does not exist. So, therefore, limit does not exist and right. No problem. No need to write all this also. No need to write all this also. Okay. Okay na? బట్ మనం ఇనిషియల్ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి మీకు అర్థం అవడం కోసం అన్ని చెప్తున్నాను నేను. ఓకేనా? సో రైట్ డౌన్ సేమ్ రైట్ డౌన్. సో సేమ్ లైక్ evaluate limit x tends to 0 x cube minus y x comma y sorry x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 x cube minus y cube by x square minus y square. So two path lo cheyandi. Two path lo what is the value? Anyone? X tends to 0, then y tends to 0. What is the value? Anyone? ఎంతమ్మ వాల్యూ? దీంట్లో ఎంత వాల్యూ? ఎనీవన్? ఎప్పుడమ్మా మీరు క్యాంపస్కి వచ్చేది ఎప్పుడు?
19 or 20 సార్.
19 or 20. 19 అంటే ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రైడేనా?
సాటర్డే సార్.
సాటర్డే. ఓకే. అంటే ఫ్రైడే దాకా తీసుకోవచ్చు మనం క్లాసు?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే. ఎస్ ఎంత వచ్చింది వాల్యూ?
y and x సార్.
y and x సార్.
0 పెట్టలేదా? 0 పెట్టడం మర్చిపోయారా? Limit y tends to 0. This is minus y is nothing but plus y. Okay. 0. This is also 0. Okay now. Now we go for y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. Y equal to mx ante x ante x tends to 0. X cube minus m cube x cube by x square minus m square x square. 1 minus m cube by x square into 1 minus m square. This is 0. Y equal to mx square. X cube minus m x square whole cube by x square minus m x square whole square. x cube comes as the 1 minus mx cube mx cube. X square comes as the 1 minus this m cube, right? M cube, m square x square. So ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక x remains, limit x tends to 0. This will be also 0. So all you can go for same way, like you can go for any means y equal to mx power 4, mx cube, whatever you take. So all will give same. That's why this is what limit is 0. Therefore, we can say that. So therefore, limit, okay, limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. Okay, na? X cube minus y cube by x square minus y square is 0. Okay, na? Okay, na? Is it fine? Anyone? Yes, please. Any doubts? రాసుకున్నారా? సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. xy tends to 0 comma 0. xy by y minus x square. xy by y minus x square. Can you say this is what is the limit of this? Anyone? Can you say?
0, sir.
Any other? So okay, along two paths it is 0. Okay, fine. Along two paths it is 0. Okay, fine. Since x tends to 0, y tends to 0. xy by y minus x square is 0. Y tends to 0, x tends to 0. xy by y minus x square is 0. So y equal to mx. What is y equal to mx?
Okay.
Ma?
0,
What happened?
0, sir.
0 no వచ్చిందా? Y equal to mx square.
Does not exist, sir.
Does not exist వచ్చిందా? ఎలాగా?
0 వచ్చింది, sir.
0 నే కదా వస్తుంది. This is mx square by mx square minus x square. X remains ఉంటుంది కదా? Okay, fine. R square by R cos theta. Okay, fine. Y equal to x equal to my పెడితే x equal to my x equal to x equal to my పెడితే y into y by y minus. Okay, fine. Limit does not exist అన్నాడు. ఎలా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావట్లేదు. ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, వస్తూనే ఉంది. Okay, fine, you can write that limit x comma y approaching to 0 comma 0 xy by, is there any path limit does not exist here? Maybe ఇక్కడ y square ఉండాలేమో కదా, y minus x square is 0. Okay na? Next, write down next problem. X comma y tends to 0 comma 0 x minus y by x square plus y square, x minus y by x square plus y square. Anyone? So what is the limit? Anyone?
Infinity, sir.
జీరో సార్.
ఎలా?
అదే ఇన్ఫినిటీకి అప్రోచ్ అవుతాం కాబట్టి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి.
అప్పుడైనా ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చింది, రాలేదా? ఇప్పుడు ఇలా చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఏమైంది? ఫస్ట్ x 0 పెడితే 0 minus y by 0 plus y square. What is that? Limit y tends to 0, 1 by y remains. What is 1 by y? What is 1 by y? Undefined, right? So limit does not exist. You can say from here itself, limit does not exist. So you can verify another method also, means y tends to 0, x tends to 0, y equal to mx, y equal to mx square. Engage check chesna same. Engage check chesna same. I hope so.
సార్ డబల్ టైమ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయకూడదా సార్?
ఎందుకమ్మా, అవసరం లేదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు న్యూమరేటర్ 0/0 వస్తే కదా చేయాలి. 0/0 యాడ్ వచ్చింది, నీకు రాలేదే.
ఓకే సార్.
So can you say what is the limit of this? Can you say what is the limit of this? Anyone? One comma 2 రాసుకున్నాం. 1,1 అయితే 0 అయిపోతుంది, ఇన్ఫినిటీ. 1,2 రాసుకున్నాం. ఎంతమ్మా, ఎనీ వాల్యూ? ఎనీవన్?
-9, sir.
Okay, good. So both methods చేయండి, both methods చేసారా? Limit x tends to 1, y tends to 2. Limit y tends to 2, x tends to 1 చేయండి. If both are same value, ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? -9. Okay, -9. So that will be the limit. That will be the limit. Okay. Okay. చేస్తున్నారా? రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి, మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది కదా, అర్థం కాదు.
సార్ -5 వచ్చింది సార్.
Yes, sir. -5, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, please. So write down another problem. Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, x cube y by x power 6 plus y square. X power 6 plus y square. So దీని ఎలా చేయాలి? దీని ఎలా చేయాలి? Anyone? So ఇక్కడ would like to take mx cube అమ్మా, like to take mx cube. Okay na? If I take mx cube, okay na? So what will be that? What will be that? Limit x y equal to mx cube, right? Limit x tends to 0, x cube into mx cube by x power 6 plus mx cube whole square. So limit x tends to 0, x power 6 into m by x power 6 taken common, 1 plus m square. So therefore limit is not unique because of this is m by 1 plus m square. Is not unique. Therefore limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. So the remaining all paths, so అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మనకు, అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనం ఏమవుతుందమ్మా మనకు, లిమిట్ x tends to 0, y tends to 0, that will be gives 0. Limit y tends to 0, x tends to 0, that will be gives 0. Limit y equal to x mx ki, y equal to mx ki, that will be gives 0. Y equal to mx square, that will be gives 0. Okay na? Y equal to mx cube ki not equal to 0 వచ్చింది, not unique వచ్చింది. Okay na? Not unique వచ్చింది. Okay na? So that's why we say that directly limit does not exist. So that's the thing. Okay, we have to verify all the cases in an ordinary method. So that's why you go by definition method. It's fine to us to find the limit of the functions, but you can go by another method that is called parabolic method or parametric method. Okay, that will be very fine. Okay, if parametric method, okay, so in case of parametric equation of Cartesian coordinate system, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. X equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay, so in case of neighborhood, okay, so the distance between suppose this is called x comma y, some point x naught y naught are okay na, assuming that this is 0 comma 0, this is x comma y, or x naught y naught, both are same, not a problem. This is x comma y. The distance between these two is called delta. Okay, nothing but root of x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square. So nothing but root of x naught is taken as 0. Okay, y naught taken as 0. Okay, so this is root of x square plus y square. So in case of parametric form, x square plus y square will be r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So that will be r square into 1. That will be r square. Okay. So root of x square plus y square, okay, will be root r square, nothing but r. Okay. So means that when you are approaching of x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 of f of x comma y, of f of x comma y, nothing but in parabolic form or parametric form, r tends to 0, r tends to 0. Okay. F of r cos theta comma r sin theta. Okay. Now it will becomes to be the function of single variable, the function of single variable, the function of single variable r. Okay, single variable r. Okay, so it is easy to find the functions of single variables, the limits. Functions of single variable limits కనుక్కోవడం మనకి ఈజీ కదా, ఎందుకంటే మనం PUC లో అంతా చదివాం అవునా. So that's why we go by function of single variable. Okay, the limits. So you can go by that method. So that's fine. Suppose this one is independent of r. So this one is suppose independent of r. Okay, then limit does not exist. Then limit does not exist. As like y equal to mx, like that. Okay, as like y equal to mx, like that. Okay, so limit is not unique. We call it as limit is not unique. Suppose this is independent of r. So మనకి ఇక్కడ రిజల్టింగ్ దాంట్లో ఆర్ఏ లేకపోతే, నమ్మ, so then we can say that okay, so the limit does not exist. Okay na. So that is the easy way to find the limit of the functions. That is the easy way to find the limit of the functions. Okay, in parametric form, instead of by substituting all like y equal to mx, y equal to mx square, y equal to mx cube, or x equal to my, x equal to my square. These are all. It's not easy to verify. Okay, all the methods, all the paths. Okay, for a single problem always. Okay, that's why you go by parametric form. That could be fine. That could be fine. Okay. Hello, sorry, ma, small disturbance. So if I go for this problem means y equal to x comma y. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. సో మీరు పారామెట్రిక్ మెథడ్ చూస్ చేసుకున్నామా, దట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, అంటే మనకు ఒక మెథడ్ లోనే తెలిసిపోతుంది వెదర్ లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్, అదే నార్మల్ మెథడ్ అనుకోండి, దట్ విల్ బి వెరిఫైయింగ్ బై మెనీ ways, many paths. Okay, x power 6 plus y square, x power 6 plus y square. Okay na? So if I take here x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, then so as I told you that x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, nothing but r tends to 0. Okay, because of as I explained you already here. Okay, as I explained you, because of this will be r. Okay, so that will be, this is r cube cos cube theta, this is r sin theta, right? R sin theta by r power 6 cos power 6 theta plus r square sin square theta. So this will be limit r tends to 0, r power 4 cos cube theta into sin theta by what happens to us? R square kada, r square kabatti r power 4 cos power 6 theta plus sin square theta. Okay, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం రాలేదు మనకు, 0 వచ్చింది, so it's not happen. Okay, so we cannot apply. So if I go for this problem, we cannot apply this problem because of we cannot say again you should take sin theta as something, okay na? Again you should take sin theta as something, okay na? Okay, now that's why we cannot take this. We go for this problem, limit xy tends to 0 comma 0, xy tends to 0 comma 0, x square minus y square by x square plus y square, okay. So here when we take x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta by, okay, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So what it will be, nothing but r tends to 0, r square taken common, cos square theta minus sin square theta by r square, because of cos square plus sin square is 1. So this will be nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. But whatever, this is independent of theta, so I told you that already. So whenever this is independent of theta, then limit does not exist. Whenever this is independent of theta, then limit does not exist. Is it okay? So can you say in the same manner what we have done previously? X cube minus y cube by x square minus y square, x cube minus y cube by x square minus y square. So ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసామనుకున్నామా, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, r cube cos cube theta minus r cube sin cube theta by r square sin square theta, cos square theta minus r square sin square theta. So limit r tends to 0, r cube taken common here, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by r square taken common here, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So r square cancel, with r remains. Whatever, this is r into something, we don't bother of this something, because of this is a constant. This whole thing will be treated as a constant because of this is independent of r. So this is r into something is 0 into something. It's always 0, therefore limit exists, that will be 0. Okay. So likewise, parametric form is very helpful majority of the problems. Sometimes it may not like this. Okay, ikkada emante malli sin theta malli something anukovalama. So that's why, okay, it may not be. Okay, fine. Is it okay? Anyone? Any doubts, please? So likewise, go by parametric form, that will be very helpful to you to find the limit of any function. Any doubts, please? Any doubts? Any doubts, Naima? Next, we go for continuity of function. Continuity of the function. Continuity means limit xy tends to 0, 0 or a, b, right? A, b. F of x, y, the limit L is equal to f of a, b, then f is called continuous. Is called continuous. Same like single variable. Single variable అయితే f of a అని చెప్పగలం, ఇక్కడ f of a b అని చెప్తాం. So check the continuity of, write down example here. Check the continuity of f of x, y. F of x, y is x square plus xy plus x plus y by x plus y. If x, y is not equal to 2, minus 2, 4 x, y is equal to 2, minus 2. 2, minus 2. Okay. So I'm going to find the limit of this function. First, I go for limit of this function. Limit xy approaching to 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, x square plus xy plus x plus y by x plus y. So this will be nothing but x, y approaching to 2, minus 2, x taken common from these both terms, x taken common, x taken common. We both terms is the x plus y plus 1 taken common x plus y by x plus y. So finally what? Limit xy approaching to 2, minus 2, this is x plus 1 into x plus y by x plus y. This both will cancel. This 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So here this will be 3, but what the given of f of 2, minus 2? What ఎంత ఇచ్చాడమ్మా 2, minus 2 కి ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మనకు? Anyone?
4, sir.
4, sir.
So therefore this is not continuous, it is discontinuous. So which is discontinuous. Discontinuous. Okay na? Which is discontinuous. Okay na? Now find the continuity of, anyone write down, find the continuity of x by root of x square plus y square, xy not equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 కాదు 2. Whatever 0 కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో దీన్ని రాస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి. సో లిమిట్ కనుక్కోండి. 2 పాత్లో చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? ఎనీవన్? 2 పాత్లో చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది? y tends to 0. ఎంతండి వాల్యూ ఎంతండి? ఎనీవన్? ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఎనీవన్?
0, 1, sir.
Yeah, 0, 1. Okay na? So directly not same, then you can say that limit does not exist.
ఆడే ఉంది దాంట్లోనే.
Limit does not exist. So లేదు, అలా కాదు. If you go by y equal to mx path, y equal to mx path, y equal to mx చేస్తే, if we go by mx path, x by root of x square plus m square x square. So if you go by mx path, then this will be root of x square plus into 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square. Root x square is x, cancel, limit x tends to 0. 1 by root of 1 plus m square. So this is not unique, so therefore limit does not exist. Limit does not exist anna kuda discontinuous amount. Limit does not exist, even limit also does not exist, therefore this is discontinuous. This is discontinuous, okay? Okay na? Any doubts? Any doubt వస్తే అడగండి. అర్థం అవుతుంది నాకు అర్థం. So is it continuous? Anyone? Is it continuous? X cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. Is it continuous? Anyone? Not equal to 0, xy equal to 0. Is it continuous or discontinuous? Anyone? Yes, please.
కంటిన్యూస్ సార్.
యా, ఇందాక మనం కనుక్కున్నాం కదా, 0 అని చెప్పాం. Parabolic, sorry. Yeah, whatever the path you can find, this is 0. Limit is 0. So this is continuous. Find చేసాము మనం continuous. Okay na? So likewise, we have to find, verify or find, okay, continuous or not. Okay na? So please practice for the problems in your module. Okay, please practice the problems which in your module. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Shall I continue? Can we stop? Okay, I will stop here because I want to go outside. Okay, remaining we will continue on next class. Okay na? Yes, please. No doubts అడగండి. Doubts ఏం లేవు సార్ అంటే విల్ స్టాప్. సో నార్మల్ మెథడ్లో ఆల్ పాత్స్ చెక్ చేయాలమ్మా. మీరు కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఏ పాత్లో డిస్కంటిన్యూ అవుతుందో. సో ఒకవేళ లిమిట్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా అదే రాయొచ్చు. లైక్ వాట్ ఐ గివెన్ హియర్. See, suppose so here I have given you directly y equal to mx cube. So limit does not exist. So అలా డైరెక్ట్గా ఆ పాత్ని ఇవ్వచ్చు మీరు. ఓకేనా? బట్ లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే మాత్రం యూ హ్యావ్ టు షో ఆల్ ద పాత్స్ ఇన్ జనరల్ మెథడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో బై. సో లేదు పారామెట్రిక్ ఫామ్లో చేస్తానంటే అలా డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పచ్చు. సో దట్స్ ద థింగ్. Be practice this limit problems. This will help you to find the derivative. So we practice all the problems. This will help you to find the derivative. Okay na? Derivative of function of two variables. కాబట్టి కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? Okay, that's about today's class. Thank you all. We'll meet on Monday. We'll meet. Okay.